Okay, welcome viewers. It's been a long time, and I'm back with another amazing video on Makossa-Highlife. Just a simple pattern 14541, and it's gonna be within a key of C. So let's listen to how our first groove sounds. So this is the first groove, and let's listen to the second groove. It's the same 14541. So this is it. So I'm going to show you how to play these two grooves that I just played. All right. Okay, so the first groove it goes like this. So we are playing a key of C, and then we have C, E, G, which is C major triad, and then we are going to use the passing key of B flat. So this is dominant 7. So for praise, usually when you're playing Makossa-Praise, you don't hold the chords. We usually tap the keys, all right, or we tap either the triad or the keys, all right. So what we're going to do is, okay, I think you can see my fingers, they are already positioned over the keys so that they can sound, so that it won't give me much hard time to play the song or to play the groove. So what I'm gonna do is 1 3 5 1 3 5 7 1 3 5 7, and then I'm going to play a little sweet slur from E flat to E. And I come to F. So that slur makes the sound, you know, adding this slur, it makes the sound fine. Okay, so we'll move from C, E, G, and then we'll go to B flat, and then we'll come then we'll move next to E. We'll play the slur of E flat and E key. All right, so that is it. So that's the first. So after you move to F, you play F. You play the F triad, and the second inversion of F triad. So this is the root of F. This is the first inversion, and this is the second inversion in C. So the second inversion we're playing here in the middle C. So here is the C, is the second inversion of F. So when you move like this, you see, so after you complete the first move, then you play, you tap the F triad, that is like this: C, F, and A. So you say C, E, G, C, F, A. All right. So let's say 1 2 3, then add 7. All right. And then come to 1 4 6. So and then from A, after tapping, F second inversion, we move to G key, and then you type G first inversion. So the root for G is G E D, and the second inversion of G is B D G, and the not the second, sorry, but first, and then the second inversion for G will be D G and B. All right, so we just rearrange the chords. They are the same, they are called inversion theory. So we are going to type this. So look at how I'm going to connect all, and then I move over F, and then I'm going to type G first inversion. Okay, and then after typing G first inversion, I'm going to play B flat again, and go back to F, and now come back to home. So listen to it. I'm gonna play it slower. So this is it for the first groove, and the second groove is like this. So what I'm doing is, this is this first inversion of C, because playing praise Makossa, you have to rearrange keys to give you the soloing sound that you want. Okay, so I'm just going to do this short, and then we'll move on. So we'll have E, G, and C key, right? So we'll say E, G, C. All right, so after tapping E, G, C, you are going to hold the 2, or let's say the 9, which is D. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. This is the 9th. So we'll say 9. I hope you are seeing that. Alright, so right here you are going to play, you are playing your roll up as a slur like this. So I think you can see this. So I'm going to move from C to B very fast to create that slur sound, and then while your last finger remains on D, because you are playing like this. This is the core sound that you want to get. You see? So you are moving now to hold F6. Alright, this is F major, you add 6 to it. So we are going to omit this key from there, and then we are just going to be left with F6. Alright, or on the other hand, it is D minor. So we inverted D minor and sent this D key across, and then here it is. So we are going to play it. Just follow me carefully. Yeah, I'm to F now. All right. You see here? So E, G, C, D. Hand remain on D and move the slur very fast. All right. See here? And I'm going to hold F and E together. Alright. See here? So after playing this, After playing this, we are going to place we roll up from C to B like this. So that's all. Very simple. Let me give it a run over again. Do you see that? So make sure you play this slower sound in between. So let's combine both of the groups and see how they will sound. All right. All right. Let's move. Alright, so this is it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to share the video, like the video if you love it, and most of all, subscribe. Thank you. I'm gonna upload a video sooner when I get my camera and all the other things set. Thank you.